All righty, I say let's get started here. So again, sorry for those that have heard this message probably 3 times now. This is a live demonstration of one of our virtual agents that's going to do a collections call. So this one is tailored towards collections. We do cover multiple different industries. Um, I'll talk a little bit about who I am and who Smart Action is if you're unfamiliar. My name is David Parsons. I'm with our solutions engineering team. In Smart Action, we are a voice automation company. So we design, build, and integrate conversational AI systems. And these virtual agents are built for companies that, might need help in their contact centers, whether it's getting people to work with them or keeping workers, in their contact centers, whether they, want to cut down on call times, or maybe the wait times are too long and they need somebody to answer the phone. And then obviously, if you're trying to save money in your contact center, a lot of these repetitive aspects of calls that come in can be done through automation. So that's where Smart Action steps in. We've been in the industry for over 10 years now, which makes us the longest tenured voice automation company in the market. So we do know what we're talking about. We've worked with multiple different industries, not just collections, over and have done multiple different use cases. So we're well polished. We know what we're talking about, and we'd love to help anybody that would be interested in learning about more of our company and our technology, and then hopefully we can work to implement that for you. Some of the big companies we've worked with for collections are Brighttree, FCI, and Wyndham Professionals. They're all currently using our virtual agents to help with them in their contact centers. I'm going to do a live demonstration. I'm just going to throw my phone on speaker, and it should be clear audio. If not, please make a comment. There should be a chat or Q&A section that you can type into. So feel free to stop me if the audio is bad. And at the same time, if you have any questions that pop up during this demo, feel free to type them in. I can address those at the end of this demo, and any other questions that might pop up. So yeah, it should be short and sweet for you and hopefully very educational. But other than that, I will get started on this call.
Hello, this is Smart Action calling to collect a debt. Your account requires immediate action. Am I speaking with David?
No, you're not.
It's very important that I speak with David regarding their account. Is David available to speak?
Yeah, I think so. One second.
Okay, I will wait.
Hello?
Hello, am I speaking with David?
Yes, you are. Who is this?
Hi, David. This is Smart Action calling on behalf of First Credit Union. This is an attempt to collect a debt. Any information obtained will only be used for that purpose. Due to the sensitive nature of your account information, we will need to verify your identity for security purposes before proceeding. Please provide your date of birth.
June 16th, 1990.
Did you say June 16th, 1990?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you. Our records indicate that the account with Smart Action Collections for David is past due with a balance of $246. You can pay this balance of $246 with a credit card. If you make a payment today, I can waive the late fee of $16. Would you like to make a payment for $230 today in order to avoid further collection action?
No, there's no way I'm paying that right now.
It's crucial that you make a payment today to keep your account from further collection activity. I can offer you a payment plan option today. With a payment plan option, you can securely provide a credit card on file, and a fixed amount will be charged to the card each month until the balance is paid off. Would you like to hear payment plan options?
Sure.
We can offer you a payment plan option of 2 payments of $123 each. Would you like to accept this payment option?
No, that's still too much money.
We can offer you a payment plan option of 4 payments of $61.50 each. Would you like to accept this option?
Nope, that's still too much money for me.
I can take a partial payment with a credit card. Would you like to make a partial payment?
Yeah, I'll do that.
How much would you like to pay with your credit card today?
I'm only doing $20.
You can pay with American Express, Discover, MasterCard, or Visa. Do you have one of these credit cards ready for the transaction?
Yes, I do.
Please tell me the 16-digit card number.
5432-8764-5583-1004.
Now please tell me the expiration date.
8/27.
Now please tell me the expiration date.
August 2027.
Please say the 3-digit CVV number on the back of the card.
528.
Thanks. You're making a partial payment of $20. Do you approve this transaction?
Yeah.
Your transaction has been completed. Please note that your account still has a balance of $226. Would you like to hear that again?
No, thank you.
If you have any questions regarding your account, please call us back during our office hours. Have a great day.
Yeah, so hopefully that came through loud and clear for you. A couple things to notice, the conversational aspect of it. I know a lot of people have dealt with virtual agents like in present day, but those are typically, press 1 for, press 2 for, press 3 for, or it's a directed dialogue. So it's please say this or please say that. Our technology allows customers to call in and talk very naturally. So we'll pick up keywords and kind of intents of what they're trying to do there. And you notice when I gave I think it was the expiration date, I said 8/27. So, we can write rules in where it's like, no, you need to say the actual month. So our technology is very intelligent. If you guys have any questions, feel free to, write them down in the Q&A or chat section right now. All right, so the first one is about the payment collection. Does Smart Action process the payments themselves? No. So we collect the information. We don't store the information. We just send it to you, and then you use your own payment processors to process that payment. So we're not in the business of taking payments or like processing payments or collecting that payment information. We transfer it over and then lose it immediately. The next one is, do you integrate with Salesforce? Yes. So we integrate with pretty much every CRM. We haven't met one that has been an issue for us. So as long as, I'm obviously one of those big ones that they're built with APIs, but if you need to build an API, that's something we can connect to, because obviously the most important aspect of these calls is the information that we can get from you guys. So like that collections call you just heard, in order for us to know the balance, we need the caller's information in your system. So if you currently have API set up, we can just connect to those, and it's very easy. If you need to build them, that's fine as well. We've worked with companies that have done that too. Any other questions? Can you do inbound? Yeah. So for collections, this was just an outbound demonstration. The inbound would honestly be the same exact process, but instead of the call coming out to the caller, they just come in. And the next question is, what's the typical stand-up length and associated monthly costs? Stand-up length, I think you're talking about go live. It depends on the complexity of the project. So let's say you just need us to capture a couple pieces of information and then transfer. That's going to be very short. That's probably going to be about 3 months, I'd say. But the more complex it gets, the more intense you need us to capture, the longer that'll get. So there's no specified date. It just depends on how complex this needs to be. Do you have the technology set up? That's a big hindrance we've found out throughout the last 10, 12 years. If there's a big gap in the technology and we need to, create APIs, that's going to lengthen that time. So, I mean, there's a big length anywhere from like 3, 6, 7, 8 months maybe, but it all depends on what you have available and then how complex that intent is. And then the associated monthly cost, we do a per minute base. It's kind of a tier system. I don't have that with me right now, but if you want more information about our payment structure, I'll be happy to have one of our sales members reach out to you or sales professionals. So Clay, if you're interested in that, just put your email in here and I'll have one of our sales executives reach out to you. Any other questions? The next question I see here is how easy is it, if I could talk, how easy is it to make an adjustment to the technology? That depends. If it's a prompt change, so if you need, instead of the greeting saying, hey, welcome to whatever, if you need to change just the wording, that can be done within 24 hours. That's very simple change. If you want to change the logic, so, instead of doing A, we need to do B plus a couple more interactions, that's going to take a little longer. That could take up to a week or longer, just depends. Like if you're going to change the whole system around, then that's going to take a while. But the quick changing of the words is very simple. Any other questions? And Clay, I didn't see an email, so just wait one last time. If you want one of our sales executives to reach out to you, just put your email in here and I will reach out. We also might have it as well since you signed up for this. So if I don't get it, I'll try to look for it as well. But yeah, no more questions coming in. But I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have any questions, reach out. We're happy to set up calls just to figure out any synergies between our companies and our businesses. Or if you want to hear another demo for a different industry, we can do that as well. Along the process of working with us, we do personalized demos. So somewhere along that process, we will custom build. I'm part of that team where we custom build a demonstration for you so that you get almost a real life experience of what that might sound like. We use dummy data, but still it's very clean and very effective in terms of you guys understanding how we work.